different jars of water. They express the sun in different ways. So from divine source, God's attitude to all is equal. But at the same time, if you have developed purity of heart, if the water in the jar is calm, the same sun shines in that jar with greater clarity, as if the sun has become partial to that particular soul. So first point, God and souls. God is completely impartial to all souls. He is the soul of souls. But those who are spiritual seekers, they are special souls. And God becomes more dear to them in a special way, without losing his impartial state.